Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to block someone on WhatsApp. To get started, open your WhatsApp application and for instance, I want to block this company or block this user for suppose. Now what you're gonna do is click on that three dots which you see on the top right corner. There you see block option, click on that block option in order to block someone. Once you do that, you will be appeared with this screen interface. Now click on other or you can just click your reason for block, and once it's done, the user will be successfully blocked. And that is how easily you can block someone on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.